Good day, philosophers. I am John Den Allen Mabilin, and this is my repetition. According to Max Scheler, the human person is essentially a Gotsuka, a seeker of God, because the orientation towards the absolute belongs to the very structure of being a spiritual person. We are not first complete individuals who later decide to look for God. Rather, we exist as persons precisely by transcending ourselves towards something beyond all finite realities. Scheler explains that the religious act goes beyond worldly goods and cannot be fulfilled by anything limited, showing that the human heart is directed towards the infinite, or God. Even when a person does not explicitly believe in God, this openness to transcendence remains part of his or her structure. One might object that many atheists live meaningful lives without seeking God or without believing God, or that religion or religious longing is merely a psychological factor. However, Scheller's point is deeper than explicit belief. Even questioning, doubting, or absolutizing something like success, freedom, or pleasure reveals that human tendency tends to seek an ultimate meaning. As a seminarian, I see this in my own experience. Even in the moments of doubts, dryness, crisis, in prayer, or even in a moment of downfall, I continue searching for truth and fullness, and this persistent longing shows that I am not satisfied with my temporary achievements. When academic success or community recognition fails to give complete fulfillment, I recognize a deeper restlessness within me in the formation. The restlessness is not weakness, but is a sign of spiritual dignity. In the end, my dear friends, Scheller Insights teaches that the real question is not whether we seek the absolute, but what we choose as our absolute. To believe or whether not to believe. To be human is already to be on a journey towards the infinite. Thus, the human person is truly a good sukha, whose dignity lies in this restless and fundamental search for God. Good day, philosophers.